Welcome back to Over Adventure Outdoors and Hot Shotting. Just getting here to the truck, 6:05 Thursday. Getting ready to get in the truck and head down to Texas, by Decatur, Texas. I think it's called Alvord, A-L-V-O-R-D, Texas. Got to pick up a backhoe and I think an offset disc or disc carrier, I don't know. I got my paperwork here in the truck. Let's get on the road. We gotta go get some diesel and get headed south. Be a nice day. It's got a little cloudy here. Well, you know the routine. Got to fuel up here first. But yeah, I got a dead trailer today. It's just gonna be a pickup, no deliveries or nothing like that. Might run into some rain. They said back kind of southwest right here. Yeah, could be some showers. But let's get fueled up here and get on the road. Okay, coming through the Arbuckle Mountains here. Coming down the other side. Running into these big fans and stuff, turbines. But yeah. Rolling on down. My ears are popping. Okay, we're here now. We're just about to Texas. Here's the WinStar Casino. I don't know if the sun's messing with you on the window, but yeah, that's got lots of cities, different cities and stuff in there. Okay, Nate. Made it to Texas. Going to the rest area here. I gotta go take a break here. Okay. Gotta go in here and go to the bathroom. The coffee's going through. Okay, we're here now at the visitor center. Let's go take a quick peek inside. Found the bathrooms earlier. Yeah, we gotta get on the road. Let's see what all they got. Yeah, it's really nice. Alright. Yeah, they got all kinds of stuff here. Yeah, all kinds of literature. All kinds of literature. Yeah, sure are. Yeah, all kinds of books and stuff in here. But stay tuned, we gotta get on the road. Okay, rolling in here now at Joey Martin Auctioneers. Okay, this place has got it going on here. Got stuff coming in and going out. Sure is getting nice black and cloudy back in there. But they're supposed to be bringing the disc carrier and the case. I'm gonna go ahead and get my rear end here down. Okay, got it. Got the disc setting over here. The only problem is I can't get my gun into any of these positions right here. Yeah. Yeah, these are so tight my drill won't fit. So I'm having to come in here with my crescents and get just a little turn at a time. I gotta flip my wrench every time. But yeah, it's gonna take a while. Plus it's starting to sprinkle. Got all this crap coming in. No telling, stay tuned. I got all these out and I'm getting ready to start on that other gang over there. Okay.
We had a tractor that had hydraulics on it, but it was just used.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And we traded.
Okay, got the gangs off. We're bringing it up on. I'm gonna try to get it way up here on the front. We can let it down. Great, it's looking perfect. Okay, I had to take the bolts out of these things and push them in. Now we're getting ready to load these gangs here. Get them shoved on here on the back of this tongue right here. I'm gonna pull that little case up on there and strap her down. Woo, that breeze feels good. Nice and cloudy. Let's get these on. Okay, got the two gangs on here. Got to throw another one around this other side here. I got a wheel started here. We'll tug it back this way behind us. Okay, got the disc. Goodness, feels good in here. Just want to sit in here for a minute. It's 11:50. Woo! It's cloudy down here in Texas, but it's still humid. Holy crud! See this sweat? Yeah, it keeps getting in my eyes. But let's see about getting this booger loaded up or whatever. Hang on a sec. Alright, let's get this booger loaded. Sure feels good in here though, that's all I know. Let's get that bucket up where we can see. Quite sketchy. Wow. Let me get out and check and see where we're at. This air sure feels good. Okay, got her on here. I got my boom slightly down on the dill. Parking brake set. Okay, let's go get this booger boom down. We'll get this top strapped and we'll be ready to go. Okay, getting ready to head out here. Joey Martin's got everything boomed down, strapped down, bungeed down. Yeah, got a little hangover here, not much. Yeah. Okay, let's get down the road and see if see how she rides. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors, HotShot. Thanks for coming by watching my videos. My grandson likes to watch them, so yeah, he's always wondering what I'm doing. Shout out to Nate and tell Louie in New Zealand. How's it going, dude? Okay, rolling in 177 here into Shawnee. Anything over 8'6", we have to detour off. And yeah, I'd say I'm over 8'6". So we're gonna get off here on Farrell. Kickapoo and Beard here. Yeah, look at that overhang back there. Even over there. Yeah, now we're having to come through these little small cities here, and I gotta ride this right side really hard, but Stay tuned. We'll be home in about 20 minutes. Back to the yard. Okay, made it back to the yard. Got the case up there unloaded, and over here's the little disc and the gains. I'm headed out tomorrow in this truck, taking the little skid steer and the trailer. I gotta go over there and get I gotta go to Kansas and grab a John Deere baler. About like that New Holland over there, but John Deere. So no telling. Stay tuned on Ride and Venture Outdoors Thursday. Part 2 will be tomorrow.